back to Saurav and Saurav Talk Shit podcast for another episode. I'm your co-host Saurav.
And your second co-host Saurav. And today we have two special guests, the bloody bastards of Sundaram, aka Darab and Shri.
ये
कितना
हेलो
लेट
जी,
रिएक्शन था यार।
कैसे हो सब लोग? अच्छा,
मतलब
चलो लेट्स डू समथिंग न्यू टुडे। लेट्स
ओके
सिंग।
ओके
सब लोग गाएंगे आज।
क्या
या या
क्या
फुल
क्या
इम्प्रो
क्या गाना है? ओहो
हम गाएंगे रूप तेरा मस्तान।
So,
उनोस, dos, tres,
yes,
रूप
रूप
तेरा
तेरा मस्ताना
मस्ताना,
यार,
प्यार
प्यार
मेरा
मेरा दीवाना
दीवाना,
भूल
भूल
कोई
कोई
हमसे
हमसे
ना
ना हो
हो
जाए।
जाए
रूप तेरा मस्ताना। अरे 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 अरे, इतना अनसिंग वॉइस मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा dude.
okay. So,
Okay.
thank you, Darab and
बोलो।
Shri, for coming to the podcast. Today, that was just a quick little random ass thing that we decided to do for absolutely
Life
no
is all
reason.
about being random.
Yeah,
Wow.
so you guys might be wondering, like we said previously, that this episode that we're recording is special and we're doing something completely abstract, a very abstract topic from what we generally follow in our procedure. Today, the four of us have come together to talk about, life. And while it might sound like a extremely vague or unclear topic, we're here to talk about the more deeper aspects, a little nod or touch towards the philosophical side of it, and get into like our views on life. And when I say our views on life, I don't mean like, okay, life is this and life is that, not to like materialistically define its origin or its meaning, but more towards how it impacts us as an individual. And for that, we took Darab and Shri. For the first time, we have had two people on one episode. And the reason that why we did that is they're an iconic duo, like Saurav said. And, seeing them in action together is something that I feel like all of you as the audience
In
will also
action?
like. And
Hope to see sometime.
and the
तुम
idea
लोग देखे
behind
नहीं हो बस।
and the idea
It had
behind this
happened
is
several times probably.
what the fuck. So like we basically there are seniors back in college, and inadvertently we have that opinion that people who are older than you tend to be wiser than you are for the most part. Okay,
for the most part.
for the
Yeah,
most
emphasis.
part. Emphasis on for the most part. And while they are doing, while we are actually walking on their footsteps in a way, because we're doing a similar course, we're in the same college, in the same atmosphere and everything. You guys are technically what might potentially our future might look like as well. For all we know, you can't exactly tell for sure, but it's a possibility. So like today we're here to talk about how we like we're just a bunch of young adults who have no idea what the fuck they're actually doing with their life, but on
Yeah.
some levels feel like we have enough say in our experiences to determine what it means to us. And with that being said, I'm gonna go like in a sequence, like so it's better and doesn't obstruct anyone else. So Darab, hi.
Right.
So yeah, like when you say the word life, what comes to your mind when you like think about life in general? If you can like just simply put it.
So this is something that I personally feel my opinion or what I would have said at this point has changed very recently.
Okay.
Is that something after quarantine definitely changed how we are living our lives in a
Definitely.
day-to-day fashion.
Yeah.
In the sense
Yeah.
that there was no time boundary. It became very fluid. What is happening?
Yeah.
So I guess I feel like that helped me center to something. And I was thinking ki life to me means movement or motion in some way.
Okay.
Like constant motion. Like stagnation is what almost irritates me
Right.
in a way. Like if I'm doing something and somehow that's not moving anywhere, that's not going anywhere. It is
No
very
regret.
infuriating and irritating.
Okay. You mean like something holding you down, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be an external force. Actually, especially when it's not an external force, is it more irritating? If it's
Yeah.
something that I have to do, something I am doing,
It can be like a
because
thought or something, is what you mean.
yeah, it can be a thought. It can be as literal as some drawing, something I'm writing, anything that I'm thinking about, anything that I set in my mind, any goal in a way,
Okay.
which is taking more than it should, or if in any way I feel ki now things have started to stagnate in any way,
Right.
like nothing is going anywhere.
Okay.
I feel like life is all about keeping things moving,
No, that's
doing
very
something new,
fair.
thinking something new.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
like life cannot be a 9 to 6 desk job in a corporate building.
yeah,
Why?
I
yeah,
think that's like talking about a 9 to 6 job. I think we are too young to talk about that.
yeah, true.
Like,
I mean, that's
abhi
there.
zarurat nahi hai.
We're
What I'm
obviously
saying,
not
like
old enough
what?
to comment on that, but it's
I'm
more like an
saying,
analogy.
Yeah, I get
yeah,
it.
analogy sahi hai. What I'm saying is, Hindi is okay, no?
Yeah.
Correct.
अच्छा
Obviously.
ठीक है तो हाँ तो the what Darab was saying, no, like we are talking like to everyone or to you guys today, but there were like so many days where me and Darab were talking about the same thing about life or keeping yourself in that motion or movement, whatever you said, Darab. Like
Hmm.
it's really important to think. Like it's really
Yeah,
important to keep thinking. जो भी है,
Right.
like it need not like अभी हम क्या you are in first year, we are in second year, कुछ ज्यादा हुआ नहीं है. And thinking about future or career or जो भी है अभी जरूरत नहीं है. You can like you can think about a randomest shit ever, like बस सोचना जरूरी है.
Right.
Whatever it is, like it will lead you somewhere.
Yeah, I mean, that makes sense, with that whole what do you say, psychological, that sort of that scientific theory, right? Where like, your one action determines the timeline you enter. It's like right
yeah.
now, if I decide to pick up this AC remote, or decide to pick up, turn off my laptop, it can probably take me to the darker timelines where this podcast episode will not get recorded and we'll have nothing to upload.
So dark.
Or I might get a call from Bill Gates and he'll hire me as as a director for an advertisement he's making. Who knows? Anything can happen. But yeah, I mean that's
This is
definitely
like
far-fetched.
some deep
काफी दूर
butterfly theory,
It's
like very
extremely
weird butterfly.
yeah. It's
Making some effect.
but like that's essentially what it comes down to, right? And
Okay,
like,
see, I'll tell you one thing. Like how, like one day, like thinking about randomness. That's what I'm telling. One day I was thinking about this thing of future prediction.
right.
Like if you believe that your fate is written,
Okay.
okay, for an instance, say your fate is written, and you go to an astrologer and know your fate, know your future,
Right.
कि क्या होने वाला है, and he tells you you try to change it if something bad's gonna happen.
Right.
But do you realize that that was also written in your fate?
That's a paradox
He
right there.
will go to see. That's what I'm saying. Like it's very random. You have different opinion. I have different opinion. He going to the astrologer and knowing your fate was also in
A
your
part
fate.
of, that's something I think I saw in Flash as well. I don't remember what
Flash
the
में
Exactly. Like,
theory
कौन
was
सा वाला
called.
एपिसोड भाई
In season 1. I'm not gonna get into Flash right now, but yeah, like
नहीं
Yeah,
वो I'm a Flash
Monday.
fan dude
I
I'm
know
a Flash fan dude
I'm
हर
aware,
एपिसोड देख चुका है इसलिए
I'm
पूछ रहा था
aware of it. No, Cisco says it, like like
Oh, Cause Nexus.
I
I get
think
it.
I think
I remember. Yes.
so. Like,
Basically, you see it and then you do it, and because you saw it.
yeah, and like basically you knowing that you're gonna change your future is also part of that future where it was written that you're gonna change the future.
yeah,
you see.
exactly.
And it's a very confusing sentence when I put it like that. But it's like, but see, like when personally when life comes to me as like this paradox, right? I tend to like rather stay more in the present. Like, obviously, I do dwell in the past for the most part because, like, I feel like if there's anything that's supposed to happen in the future or it's supposed to determine what's gonna change in my future, my past has a big role in that because the person that I am, my experiences, what I have been through, what I have done, they are the things that are going to be reflected in what I'm going to do in the future as well. Like if I murdered someone today and 10 years later I'm thinking about it, that's that thing that I did 10 years ago is going to be the reason for my guilt and probably the reason I'll be arrested in the future. I mean that's a very dark analogy, but yeah, like
Like, let's talk more realistically. One thing which I believe in, like, I understood this very recently. I think I told Darab also. Like, when, like, nothing is a mistake when you do.
okay, that makes sense, I guess.
It is something which you'll realize later कि अरे वो गलत था.
Yeah,
Many things like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Like when you're doing, most of the times it doesn't seem like a mistake.
right.
But after some consequences, after something happens, you'll be like, oh fuck, like कुछ गलत किया था.
Yeah.
But mistakes again are a man-made concept, right? If you see it that way. Okay, I mean, I know there is, but what I mean to say is that mistake is a man-made concept is because, see, there are actions that you commit and then there are consequences to those actions.
Right.
Now, you tend to talk it out as a mistake or not is all on your conscience. To some people,
Yeah.
murder is not a mistake. It's
Fine.
something that they willingly do, like a serial killer. He won't think murder is a mistake. For him, murder is an act that he wants to commit
Right.
every time.
That he feels
But for
is
a person like
justified.
yeah, but for a person like you or everyone in the podcast right here does not feel murder is a justification for anything.
Maybe I
That
do.
taking bruh, but taking life for us is 10 times more difficult than a person who actually commits it for a living.
That's
You get what I'm
I think
saying?
what makes it, I think what also makes it very grey, this particular thing about realizing things later, is also when you're doing things for something. Like
an
there's something, and you can
essential goal,
definitely make your
right?
life easier by doing something else instead of doing that thing that is what hits you later. He
Yeah.
was probably the right thing to do, where you messed up.
But we
But you realize
always
that,
do things for something.
yeah,
But yeah, that's basically being human, right? You never do anything without a personal what do you say, affiliation to it. Even if you are being selfless, you're still being selfless in for yourself. Like, you're being selfless
yeah,
because
definitely.
you're gonna either feel good or something like that. Like, it's like in a very fucked up way, you could say like everyone is selfish in their own way. It's just like the way you present it. Whether you present it
I
with
think direct
You
way
know,
or
selfless.
indirect way, everything is a selfish act.
exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
Selfish act.
Yeah.
You know, I have thought about selflessness. Many ways, I I think of myself as a nice person. Many times I do something
I
and the
think
other person,
Cancerians are very selfish.
they are listen, no, Baba. As I was saying, sometimes I'll do something for someone. It's usually a lot about emotional understanding someone, forgiving someone, and they'll tell me, make me aware of how selfless that was or how nice of an act this was. And my reply usually is, I'm doing this only because this is exactly how I want to receive the same treatment
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
same situation.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
So
Yeah,
it is
so
somewhat,
I really
yeah,
agree with what you said.
yeah.
But
It is, I don't know, in some way creating some energy or also setting an example.
yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I think that's essentially what any act in life generally,
Hmm.
tends to matter to a person. Because, like, see, the thing is, like, we're obviously aware about people who you could say disrespect others or treat anyone else harshly. And and like Darab said, like, there's this very famous line that every boomer or an old person would keep on telling you, like, treat others the way you want to be treated
Yeah.
yourself, right?
Yeah.
Essentially, we've heard this one line for like a lot of time. We've just heard it again and again, and it's like been, what do you say, pushed into our brains, and like, it's like it's a thought that's been submerged into your unconscious side of your brain. But like, it's very, like, it's rarely or very barely there that someone essentially understands the actual importance to that one line. To like actually realize that you want to be treated in such a way, the way you treat others is something that I don't think any of us, to be honest, really aspire to be. Like there are going to be times when you would do that, like you said, like there are, you mentioned that you would treat someone in a way that you want to be treated as well. But there are also going to be times where you will treat someone in the way that you would not even wish to be treated in your worst nightmare.
Yeah.
Consciously or subconsciously being aware of it. And that's very, and see, that's, you could say, from society's perspective or the norms that have been bestowed upon us, it's wrong. That's the simpler way of just putting it. Ki, हाँ, ये चीज गलत है. You disrespect someone, ये गलत है. You shouldn't have done that. That's what they'd say. But like, to actually understand its essence is more like you have basically, ignited a spark whose flame, like, basically ignited a flame, not a spark. You have ignited a flame whose sparks are going to fall right back on you. Like this torch that you've just lit right now, it's soon going to burn out. But when it does start to burn out, you're going to be touching the flame with your own fingers. It's going to come back to you either ways, irrespective of how you deal with it or how you run away from it. And I think that's really what matters at the end of the day, because all our actions that we do, that we're aware of or unaware of that way, we pay like the consequences or repercussions of it without, like, willingly or unwillingly.
Yeah, definitely. I like that analogy a lot. Really. I also think of it as like a bank in a way. Like the world has this bank of energy.
Right.
And there's positive energy and negative energy. There's credit and debit. So what do you want to add on to, in a way?
Yeah, I get what you mean.
Yeah.
And like, yeah, and this was a very, what do you say, like, very, I would say, Socrates level philosophical outlook on life. But bring it down to more simpler things. I think life really, as for me, life really is like, where I am and who I am with. For me, it's just like, that's the way I see the whole structure or the whole abstract pattern of life. Like, I'm right now, willingly or unwillingly, if I'm with someone, living with someone, staying with someone, talking to someone, that's what life is for me. Like, because at the end of the day, where I am, who I'm surrounded is what's going to reflect on me as a person and on my actions. Like, if I'm here right now with, say, Saurav, okay, and Saurav and I are just sitting and smoking a joint together. Now, see, that's a place that I possibly have chosen to be in. But even if I haven't chosen to be in that place, I'm still comfortable with the fact that I'm around someone that I am comfortable with. Like, my circumstances or my situations might be different, but because of the people I'm with, that even that environment can become hospitable or comfortable for me.
See, about choice, there is a saying, no, कि कभी-कभी गलत ट्रेन भी सही जगह ले जाती है.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sundaram was my galat train.
Same.
Sundaram was one of my galat trains. Where I was gonna go was Sandhya, that order, Prakash PG. Yeah,
My
Prakash
building.
or whatever.
Oh.
I was gonna be in Prakash, but I had some fight with Sandhya, that man, whoever that man is.
Yogesh.
Then I came, Yogesh. No, Yogesh, nahi be. Yogesh is that, bhaiya.
Yeah, that's our
Some G.
Oh, he to your cool.
With G, I think.
Sandhya
Yeah.
फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
Oh.
So I got into Sundaram. Okay, that was not my choice. That is the first choice because I had no other choice.
Okay.
All PGs were full. ठीक है. तो मैं आ गया बस सुंदरम में. But मेरा life set हो गया आने के बाद. ठीक है.
Yeah.
Meeting this guy was not my choice.
Right.
See, meeting Darab was not my choice.
It happened.
Meeting whoever I met was not my choice.
Right.
But if you see it like how you said, all these are results of a choice which I made. One choice which I made कि मैं सुंदरम में जाऊंगा. These all are results.
Yeah.
Right.
Definitely.
You understand what I'm saying?
Basically,
Yeah.
your circumstances had brought you to a place which ended up making you happier than you would have been if you were in the latter.
In a very simple
No,
way, it's
see,
basically
I
a
can
butterfly
never
There is
effect.
say
another.
that. See, I can never say कि अगर मैं प्रकाश में रहता था तो I would have been less happy than what
Yeah.
I am now. But that doesn't really matter to me. We had a driver. ठीक है, what he has to say is Gatam Gataha means past is past. Leave it
Huh.
there.
Yeah,
So
that
how
makes
I am right
Master
now
Lungwe.
is what all matters. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर मैं प्रकाश में था तो कितना मजा आता या कहीं और अनीता में होता तो कितना मजा आता. Live in
There
the
is
present.
there is another saying that I'm reminded of. उसमें कहते हैं कि अगर अपनी मर्जी का होता है तो अच्छा है, अगर नहीं होता तो और भी अच्छा है. That basically means
है
कि
ना?
what you want is not happening. That means what God wants in a way is what's happening. Or basically what fate wants, what the energy around you. That's what that wants is taking place.
That's all, dude. It's
I
all
never
about
understood
कि
it.
जो होना
honest.
है वो होगा.
हाँ, that's how I understood it. कि why I feel अगर मेरी मर्जी का नहीं हो रहा है, why I feel it basically says whatever circumstance you are in right now, that's good
Right.
in a way.
हाँ.
That
पहले I
It's
used to
all
think कि
acceptance.
पहले I used to think of it as कि आप अपने से कंट्रोल दे रहे हो अपनी लाइफ का.
Yeah.
But now I think of it more as accepting where you are right now. Because wherever you're gonna go from this point, not from आगे पीछे या right there.
And
और क्या
like,
जो भी हो सकता था in any way.
and yeah, even like, you know, where
See,
you're going
is it-
right now and everything, like you said, even that really is like your decision or your choice there. Like, you choose like whether you want to go somewhere, and if you do, how you want to approach that destination. Like,
See, there is always a choice. Like wherever, like whatever point you are in life, no, there is always a choice.
right.
It's like you're in a situation or you're stuck in some situation. कुछ भी है. It's about a call you shall take.
Right.
It can. वो it's a wrong call. It's a right call. You might not know at that time. बाद में पता चलेगा. जैसे we were talking. कि अरे वो गलत था शायद, कि अरे वो सही था शायद, बट जो
लेकिन-
है अभी
हाँ।
करो,
Yeah.
क्योंकि कल क्या
Exactly.
होने वाला है पता ही नहीं है.
Basically, cause and effect makes sense. Like cause and effect
It's a
of everything
cause and
is.
effect, but effect, you like I don't believe in that effect because I don't believe in tomorrow. That's my philosophy.
Yeah, same.
जो भी है आज ही है, जो
हाँ।
है आज है. कितना जीना है, जितना तुम कर सकते हो अभी आज ही करो. Because tomorrow is very uncertain, dude. Like you don't know क्या क्या होने वाला है.
And-
Like मैं और दराब इतने प्लान किए थे ट्रैवल करने के लिए. Like पर we have very less regret क्योंकि हम इतना ट्रैवल किया ना फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकंड ईयर में कि थोड़ा मन भर गया. बट अगर हम सोचते थे कि हाँ करेंगे करेंगे करेंगे, ये लो अभी क्वारंटाइन में बैठ के ऐसे ही वीडियो कॉल पे वी शैल बी टॉकिंग.
This is
Dude, it became a running joke about planning. Because even if it's not quarantine बैठ के, even if it's on a Monday कि अगले और on a Friday की next week we will go. ये हो रहा है तब चलेंगे. It used to never work out. Most of the trips have been Friday. Friday को चले चलो निकलते आज रात को. तभी हुआ होता है in a way.
Yeah.
Dude, one thing I want to say, कोरोना वायरस अभी आया है, पर तुम्हारे मरने के चांसेस कभी भी थे.
हाँ.
ट्रक
क्या
तो
बात, क्या बात।
चल रहे थे अब तक.
हाँ
मार्च 15 तक जब तक हम कॉलेज में तब तक तो ट्रक चल रहे थे.
हाँ
तभी भी तो मर सकते थे.
नहीं, लेकिन नहीं मरे हम लोग.
प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल्स जरा तेरे को याद है हम ऐसे प्लान किए थे, जैसे तो बोल रहा था ना तब जाएंगे
हाँ, yeah.
कभी नहीं गए डूड. लाइक नेवर.
It
Yeah,
became
it did also because of this.
if anything used to not work out, no? उसका explanation जो तूने plan किया था ना तभी.
हाँ, अंशिता थी जब याद है, हमारी एक और वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड अंशिता. ठीक है,
हाँ.
हम ऐसे चंदू एंड गैंग बोल के ऐसा ग्रुप था हमारा. ठीक है, हम कभी भी प्लान करते थे ना, नहीं जाते थे.
अरे हाँ
Like-
dude.
That's
This
basically-
I
हम भी
remember.
गए थे.
Yeah, that's basically how it's like Saurav and मेरे लिए भी, because Saurav and like Saurav, me, Shantini, Sharvari, Anadi, our friend circle
The
basically.
five of us.
Yeah, the
we
originals.
decided to go. We decided to go to Gokarna. And like on the verge of it, like we were just delaying the plan कि हाँ अब book करेंगे, अब book करेंगे, अब book करेंगे. And in the end book हो भी चुका था.
And our friend
Like
got sick.
मैंने बस की टिकट्स बुक कर दी थी, होटल्स बुक नहीं की थी, but like बस की टिकट्स होटल्स बुक होने वाली थी. And then at that moment सैंतनी को घर जाना पड़ा because उसको टॉन्सिल्स हो गया या कुछ like she had some उसको कोई बीमारी. And then we had to cancel. Like it's just that like you said कि like प्लान करना है तो अभी करो, अभी निकलो.
Dude, epic story I'll tell you. Epic.
हाँ.
देख, एक तो था मैं और अंशिता फोन पे मिले थे ऐसे ही रैंडमली.
हाँ.
हम दोनों हम्पी जाने की प्लान किए थे, ठीक है.
हाँ.
2 लोग जाने वाले थे, 1 2 3 4 5 लोग गए, ठीक है. वो छोड़, एपिक स्टोरी. डरा कोच्चि याद है?
कोच्चि, यप.
लाइक हम हर ट्रिप अनप्लान्ड, लाइक आज सोचते हैं कल निकल जाता है, ठीक है. एवरी ट्रिप. कोच्चि वाज द ओनली ट्रिप वेयर वी प्लान्ड फुल्ली, ठीक है. मतलब फुल. हमने बस ट्रेन के टिकट्स जाने के लिए बुक किए, आने के लिए बुक किए. डूड हम 4 घंटे पहले पहुंचे यार रेलवे स्टेशन को. 4 घंटे पहले वो एरिया को 4 घंटे पहले पहुंचे. 2 घंटे के बाद मैं और दरा भागे. वी बॉट अ बॉटल ऑफ वोडका. फिर हम वापस भागे. दरा याद है तेरे को?
हाँ 450 की खरीदी ब्रो.
फिर हम वापस भागे. आधा घंटे पहले हम प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी थे.
सही प्लेटफॉर्म पे खड़े थे.
सही प्लेटफॉर्म पे थे. फिर भी हमने गलत ट्रेन पकड़ा.
What? How?
हम सही टाइम पे 7:20 का ट्रेन है, 7:21 पे ट्रेन आई. सही प्लेटफॉर्म से हमने पकड़ी, हमने गलत ट्रेन पकड़ी.
And wait, what the
फिर हम
fuck?
गलत ट्रेन पकड़े, अंदर चढ़ गए, पी लिए, भंड हो गए. मैं मार्कर लिया, यहाँ वहां ड्राइंग कर दिया. ट्रेन आगे जा ही नहीं रही थी.
ट्रेन चली और जाके रुक गई. फिर उल्टा चलने लगी और फिर रुक गई और फिर ट्रेन की लाइटें बंद हो गई. जिससे आई थिंक 1.5 आवर इन, ठीक है, थोड़ा आगे पीछे करके वो रुक गई और लाइट्स बंद हो गए. हम लोग सोच रहे क्या हो गया, कुछ खराब हो गई या कुछ हो गया होगा. एंड देन दिस 2 guys come with flashlights and they're like, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो ट्रेन में? लास्ट स्टेशन आ चुका है, ट्रेन रुक चुकी है, क्या कर रहे हो ट्रेन में अभी तक?
Wait, what the fuck?
And they shoo us away from the train. Yeah.
Dude, guess what? हमारी ट्रेन मिस हो गई, बट हम फिर भी नेक्स्ट डे कोच्चि पहुंच गए.
How?
Dude, पता नहीं यार, जो भी हुआ उस रात. हम ये प्लेटफॉर्म से वो प्लेटफॉर्म भागे. फिर वहां भागते 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 कोई रनिंग ट्रेन थी, उसको पकड़े. तो एसी कंपार्टमेंट में चढ़ गए, टीटी भगा दिया. जनरल कंपार्टमेंट में आ गए, जनरल टिकट नहीं था. ओ वाह डूड, अराउंड 7 लोग थे.
And the best part is the TC was very nice. Okay, he saw us in the train without a ticket because this is the second train.
Yeah.
We were walking, we saw a train, we googled where it was going, and it was going to cross Kochi, so we climbed.
Okay.
Oh,
And then
hey, Aniket helped us, dude.
Aniket Joshi is the man who shall get all the credit for this trip, even though he was not there, even though I've never met him. But anyways,
सिस्टम में नहीं है.
so he basically said कि general में जाके बैठ जाओ, and at every station go run to the ticket counter, buy tickets and come back.
Oh.
Because general, the TC told us. He's like, I'm letting you go, but कोई और पकड़ेगा TC, या मैं second next time पकड़ूंगा, then you'll have to pay fine and everything.
Okay.
So Shri and this guy Joshua from our batch, every station.
Dude,
And the worst part is, all platforms were 2 minute stops. 2 minute, 1 minute.
Fuck.
So ये लोग चलती ट्रेन से हर स्टेशन पे भाग के जाते थे, टिकट लेने की कोशिश करते थे.
रुकने से पहले ही हम कूद जाते थे. ऐसे अंदर का हुसैन बोल्ट बाहर आ गया था डूड.
What
लेकिन
the
ऐसे
fuck?
गांड मार दी थी हमारी उस रात.
And
टिकट लेके आए.
4 स्टेशन के बाद 3 फेल ट्राइज के बाद चौथे स्टेशन पे टिकट मिल गई. ये लोग आ गए, हम लोग सो के
अंशिता भी
पहुंचे.
आने वाली थी. अंशिता
अंशिता का तो नेक्स्ट लेवल सीन हो गया डूड. अंशिता आई इस ट्रिप पे, बट उसके बाद क्या सीन हुआ? यू नो व्हाई वी वर ऑन द रॉन्ग ट्रेन इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस?
Yeah.
बिकॉज हमारी ट्रेन लेट चल रही थी. तो जो उससे पहली ट्रेन आई जिसका लास्ट स्टॉप था वो, हम उसमें चढ़ गए
Oh my.
बिना ट्रेन देखे.
और
As this
हमने
being a smart
अंशिता
people
को
we are.
देखा उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे.
हाँ, अंशिता was there at the station. We told her उसकी ट्रेन मिस हो गई है, so she went back.
Oh
No,
ये
she
मतलब-
was also thinking ये ट्रेन है हमको देख के.
Yeah.
हाँ, और हम तो चले गए. शी वाज लाइक अरे फक ट्रेन मिस हो गया डूड. और उसके मॉम के साथ भी सीन हो गया था. बाहर उनकी मॉम किसी को ठोक दी थी, ठीक है, और
पत्थर
लोग
फेंक
उनके
रहे थे
मॉम
लोग.
के कार को पत्थर लेके मार रहे थे.
What the fuck is happening here?
Bro,
Dude,
you
now
have
that I'm
no
telling the
idea.
story,
इतना रैंडम था हमारा लाइफ.
now that I'm telling the story, I'm realizing how crazy it was. So basically, Anshita is in a hurry. वे उसकी मॉम पे लोग पत्थर फेंक रहे, लोग चिल्ला रहे, ऑटो वालों को या बाइक वाले को ठोक दिया था किसी आते आते, क्योंकि वो जल्दी में चला रही थी. Because Anshita was also getting late for the
Okay.
train. But the funny part is Anshita was there on time. In the way she missed the wrong train. So the right train went
Yeah.
stopped in front of her. She thought that wasn't a train. Because her train has left.
Oh.
Because we left on the wrong train and told her, oh bro, your train to left. So
But she
had
also
the
left from the station.
She also left because her mom was like जल्दी वापस आ मुझे लोग यहाँ पे परेशान करे. तो सारे
But
लोग
guess what? अंशिता भी आ गई नेक्स्ट डे.
How?
वो थोड़ी रिच है, वो फ्लाइट लेके आ गई.
उसने पैसा खर्च करे बस सारा. अरे बट तुम लोग सकलेशपुर से चल के आए थे राइट?
डूड वो एक और क्रेजी ट्रिप था डूड.
ये ट्रिप पॉडकास्ट बन जाएगा मुझे लग रहा है. But I don't mind to be honest. I don't mind. I'm in for
ये
trip
लाइफ है.
podcast.
But
हाँ,
like,
ये life
but
है,
like,
true. I
But
think this
the
is also
reason why-
very बहुत सारा थी.
yeah, so but reason why I mentioned the Sakleshpur trip because I've heard you guys talk about it, and it's probably one of the most random things I've heard. And you know, Krishna was also there, right? Like, in case you don't know, Krishna is he's our 4th year senior, amazing guy. If you find him in Shishti, please talk to him.
You won't find him. वो ग्रेजुएट हो गया इस साल.
नहीं लेकिन कॉलेज वो आ रहा है ना वापस. लाइक एटलीस्ट ये
Degree
साल
लेने.
में तो हाँ डिग्री लेने तो वापस आएगा ना.
और तो लुक आउट हाइलाइट्स वाला बंदा चश्मा पहना हुआ बहुत कम टाइम के करेगा पकड़ लो दिख जाएगा.
हाँ, he's the man with the car. That's who he is.
डूड सकलेशपुर ना ऐसे देख. मंडे हमारा ज्यूरी था, ठीक है. मंडे मेरा ज्यूरी था.
मेरा ही मंडे ट्यूसडे
हाँ?
था दैट टाइम.
तेरा मंडे था, मेरा मंडे था, अंशिता का नहीं था, ठीक है. फिर हमने मंडे मेरा ज्यूरी खत्म हो गया, हम घर आ गए. मंडे नाइट को डिसाइड किया कि हम कहीं जाएंगे,
Okay.
ठीक है. तो प्लान वाज मी, अंशिता, दराब, ठीक है. ये कब हो रहा है? रात के 11 बजे प्लानिंग शुरू हुई हमारी, ठीक है.
Okay.
हाँ, सुबह 4 बजे तक 3 लोग 10 लोग हो गए.
What the fuck? Okay.
3 people who had to go on the trip. 10 people went. A random 10 people. This is starting of the college.
Yeah.
पता भी
Like
नहीं
this
था
very-
इससे कौन है.
हाँ
हम याद करते हैं. चल तू, मैं, अंशिता, निकोल. डूड निकोल भी आए थे. हाँ, फिर महक,
केपी
कनिष्क आया था, फिर पार्थ आया था, कृष्णा,
ताविशी आई थी.
ताविशी. डूड रैंडम. हाँ, ये लोग हमको पता भी नहीं है ठीक से.
And I don't know any of these people.
Yeah, but like, see,
हमको
the
ही पता
randomness
नहीं
of
था.
that-
तेरे को क्या पता होगा?
हो सकता है, क्या पता.
दरा वीडियो.
हाँ
हाँ सॉरी. ओके. फिर 10 लोग गए थे. फिर क्या हुआ था दरा वहां पे?
So what the funny part is सब लोग घर पे एक करके पहुंच गए थे. I think ओशिन, आकांक्षा, निकोल तीनों रात को 1:30 बजे के अराउंड आए थे. एंड पार्टी सीन टाइप चल रहा था. लोग पी रहे थे, गाने बज रहे थे, डांस कर रहे थे. एंड अंशिता एक कोने में बैठ के अंशिता श्री शायद एक दो लोग उधर बैठ के डिसाइड कर रहे थे कहाँ जाना है. एक करके जगह ढूंढ रहे थे कहाँ जाना है. अभी तक इतना डिसाइड होता है कि कहीं तो जाना है.
Okay.
एंड आई थिंक हम लोग 5 या 6 बजे की ट्रेन लेके निकल गए सकलेशपुर के लिए, विच इज क्लोज बाय. या
निकल गए थे ऐसे ही. और सकलेशपुर उतना अमेजिंग जगह भी नहीं था वो टाइम के लिए.
वहाँ पे एक फोर्ट है
जाना
बस, और कुछ नहीं था वहाँ पे.
Okay, but like,
एक किसका फोर्ट है वो?
टीपू सुल्तान का है.
हाँ, अरे अभी क्रेजीनेस स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ.
अभी क्रेजी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ ब्रो. दिस इज ओनली द बिल्डर.
no, it's just like, this and like these situations that you guys have had, right? This reminds me of like things when I did when I was like 16 or 17 years old. Because like, okay, so like there was this time in my life where I'm still very reckless and random and spontaneous that way. Like मेरे को अभी
तो तेरे को तो सुंदरम आना चाहिए ब्रो.
हाँ bro.
तेरी लड़ाई क्यों नहीं हुई जिससे भी
इसके पास पैसे थे, अलग बात।
हम तो जिंदगी से लड़ रहे थे।
मैं जिंदगी से अभी भी लड़ रहा हूँ बॉस. But yeah,
मतलब.
like you know, there was this point, there was this plan. So like basically, there is this country club in the area, okay, and मैं रात के कुछ it was like I think around 12:30 in the night, and I'm with my then ex and my another friend and his girlfriend, and we're all like
अच्छा तो 16 पे ही. अच्छा ठीक है. हम तो भाई बच्चे थे हाँ उस टाइम पे.
यार ब्रो एग्जैक्टली ट्रू बच्चे
Oh,
थे स्कूल
बस हम
True and
fun
true.
fact.
घर आके लैपटॉप खोलने में डर लगता था.
Hey, guys, fun fact. If you did not know, guys, who are watching this and Saurabh included you, Shri is a year younger to all of us.
wait what?
हाँ तो क्या हुआ.
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा है. It's just a fact. It's just a
आगे.
fact.
Okay.
Just a fun
Everyone-
fact.
अच्छा कितने साल के हो तुम लोग. 9 18
2000 2001
2000 born.
2000.
अच्छा ठीक है चलो इट्स फाइन. इट हैपेंस.
happens
हाँ, नहीं, मैं बस बोल रहा
बड़ी
हूँ. I'm just
बड़ी
saying.
शहरों में छोटी छोटी गलतियां
हो जाती है 99 में
गलती से कॉन्डम टूट
All,
जाता
almost,
होता है.
almost.
जो
Okay,
भी
but
हुआ
like
था यार उसका.
back to the story, okay? So like we're
हाँ,
four,
continue.
we're four 16-year-olds, what do you say, hormonal dumbass teens, okay? Like दुनिया में कुछ पता नहीं, सिर्फ बकचोदी करनी है, नशे करने हैं, सस्ते या महंगे,
I respect
और फिर अगले दिन बैठ के रिग्रेट करना है, फिर बहुत ज्यादा एंजॉय करना है. ठीक है? That's all that life is at this point. So we all have the bright idea of breaking into this this club at 1 in the morning. And so what we all do is we're at my friend's place, so we sneak out of her house because उसके parents नहीं है. So we sneak out of her house because उसके neighbors and all की कोई पकड़ नहीं करके छुपके से निकले. हम क्लब के तरफ गए. हम लोग ने अंदर स्विमिंग कॉस्ट्यूम्स पहनी थी. ठीक है? We go inside the club संभाल के. It's like 2 a.m. right now. Okay, there is no security, nothing. So like, you know, it's very easy to break into the place and everything. So like we walk into the place and we have the most retarded idea ever. So we're right now standing in our swimming trunks, looking at the water, and it's fucking November, okay? It's cold. The water is fucking cold. That's
तो बॉम्बे से नहीं था
हाँ
हाँ, बॉम्बे में गर्मी होती है, dude.
ब्रो ठंड होती है ओके ठंड भी है वहां पे इट्स नॉट लाइक वेरी कोल्ड बट इट्स कोल्ड ओके एंड
थोड़ी सी होती है
हाँ थोड़ी सी होती है बट रात को ठंडी होती है थोड़ी सी ठीक है
हाँ.
सो लाइक द वाटर इज कोल्ड ओके लाइक रख लेना से लगता है निमोनिया हो जाएगा ल्यूकीमिया हो जाएगा वी गो स्किनी डिपिंग नो रीजन
Wait. Question. With or without swimming costume?
what do you think skinny dipping
How
is
is it?
yeah how
How
is
is
it
it?
नहीं ब्रो, सी इंडियन सेंसर्ड होता है, dude. वो अलग चीज.
fuck
I agree.
इंडिया में स्किनी डिपिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है भाई साहब. मैं तो नहीं करता, dude. मैं भाग जाता वहां से.
no
Skinny-ish dipping.
skinny dipping
Skinny
But no,
dipping.
we went proper commando, like proper skinny dipping.
Oh.
कोई कपड़े नहीं.
Yeah.
And we're just four really drunk teenagers who have no idea what the fuck we're doing. And we fucking dive into the water. And I scream under the water because of how cold it is. Like I feel like there are needles piercing through my skin while I am inside
yeah,
the
yeah.
water. Okay. And
Yeah,
Spent a
dude.
major chunk of my life in swimming pools. I know what it feels like.
Dude.
Every morning.
And like the thing is like we walked out of the pool. Okay, we were in there for like half an hour, and we got very scared because like हम लोग आवाज मचा रहे and everything, and लोग वो लाइट वाइट हमने एक ट्यूबलाइट ऑन होते हुए देखी एक बिल्डिंग में. हम लोग को लगा लोगों को पता चलने वाला है and everything. So we fucking ran out. We just hold our clothes and we run inside the club instead of running out. Okay, to find a place to change. No, we're retards. Okay, we have next to like zero planning. We're inside the club. We don't even have a towel. Okay, we
Oh,
have our
God.
clothes in our hand. Okay, we're drenched in water. We have no towel, nothing. And we know there's a security guard inside the club. बंदा सो रहा है, मस्त में सो रहा है, ठीक है? Now I'm not shitting, okay? Like पार्कोर वाली फील्ड्स आए. So हम सबसे ऊपर गए, टेरेस में गए, ठीक है? Like एक ये हॉल है बेसिकली क्लब में, एक पार्टी हॉल जैसी जगह है, which has an open space, like a balcony kind of a thing. So we go there. Okay, we wear our clothes on these wet bodies. our clothes are also getting drenched in water, okay? Like, at
Yeah,
this
yeah.
point, ideally, what you would think about is like, holy shit, I just saw like two people naked that I don't know and everything. No, our only thought right now is कि towel नहीं और ठंड लग रही है. We're standing in the balcony, okay, drenched in water, shivering out of our fucking heads. We jump from the balcony onto the roof and we slide down. And we come back and we enter our society again.
Oh.
I have 3 scratches on my leg, okay? My friend is bleeding from his elbow. The girls, they both are bleeding from their knees. And all we can think about is getting back inside the pool. And
Wow,
then,
dude.
and then,
Dude, इसको तो थिएटर में जाना चाहिए.
and
ना
like,
अच्छा मोनोलॉग देता है यार.
film student एक reason
बोल बोल.
and like,
Storytelling, the art of storytelling.
art of storytelling.
Continue,
हम भी
Sahil.
कर ले इसका पॉडकास्ट.
And the best part
well.
is we can think about only getting back inside the pool, okay? That's the thing. And obviously we didn't do that because we're not retarded. I mean, we are retarded, but we're not that retarded, okay?
Good retarded.
Good retarded. थोड़ा कुंचुम थोड़ा चाहिए, ठीक है? तो हम लोग वहां से निकले घर
South
गए,
Indian is
everything.
coming out.
Okay, we all take a shower and everything, nice warm water, get cozy for the night, open a bottle of rum, chug it down like retards, and that warmth, that burning feeling that our esophagus and our liver felt made us feel so good that we passed out on the beds itself. Next morning, we fucking wake up and we realize what has happened. And here's the best part, okay? So all of this happened. This entire ordeal has happened. My friend left his phone there.
Oh.
Okay.
कहानी में twist, bro. अब क्या?
Dude, at least your friend left his phone there. Some people wantedly drop their phone into the water.
अरे यार.
Then they realize कि अरे ये तो चाइना पीस है. क्यों दे रहा आपको? हाँ?
ठीक है, different story. बाद में.
हाँ.
Yeah,
बोल.
but like, coming to the end, we didn't go back for the phone क्योंकि फट गई थी. वापस गए तो लोग पूछेंगे फोन यहाँ पे आया कैसे. तो
ब्रो
उसका
अगर
phone
मैं
तो
उसकी जगह होता तो मैं रो देता डूड.
हाँ,
मैं
वो-
उसकी जगह होता मैं रो
he
देता.
did cry.
Yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा.
We were consoling
Dude,
him for
phone
like
वाले-
2 hours.
फोन
अरे
जब
dude.
गायब हुआ पता चला तब फटती बैंकर वाली. उससे पहले तो जोश था. तो निकल जाता है.
ऐसे भी नहीं
अगले दिन-
कोई फोन. That guy lost an iPhone 6s.
Oh yeah.
In 2017.
And yeah, मैं वही कहने वाला था. 4 साल पुरानी बात है. चलो कॉन्टेक्स्ट में डालो. सक्सेस.
नहीं डूड लेकिन तुम लोग का उस दिन लिवर तुम्हारा मेटाफोरिकली भी कटा डूड. उसका तो लिवर
Dude,
मेटाफोरिकली
exactly. Something I'm really happy about is not getting involved in some things till I got into college.
Right.
सेम
Like
सेम हियर.
alcohol or something, क्योंकि like for my attitude, no, मैं थोड़ा जल्दी बोर हो जाता हूँ चीजों से.
Same.
ठीक है. अगर if I
Yeah.
had started drinking from 16, no, I think college पहुंचते वो जो essence होता है ना से anything you start afresh, anything you start
Excitement
new,
उसका.
वो
You
excitement
lose.
चले जाता है.
I can agree on that because I'm at that
But if
stage
you could
right now.
maintain it, you're great. But I feel वो people के साथ experience करना starting में
Yeah.
like अलग चीज है.
That
Like when I dropped acid, it was very new for me, and I feel I did it at the right time with right people,
Okay.
like परसों. And dude, even after coming to college, many things which me and Darab, or many weird things that we did, we were not high or drunk.
Yeah.
Like many things. Like हमको बस बकचोदी करनी थी. Like उसके
That's
लिए
mood, bro.
पीने की जरूरत भी नहीं थी हमको.
I think that's very important. You know, when I think about all these stories, this crazy swimming pool story, Sakleshwar wala scene, which I would love to get into completely at some point in the podcast.
Yeah.
Or the Kochi thing. I feel like, they're very small decisions. Like Shri was talking, a lot of these trips are Friday socha, raat ko nikalna hai type. They're very small decisions. Like I feel like at that point, it can also be ki haan, but kaam thoda zyada hai, but also, but chalo vencho type. Like it's a very small decision. But I feel like if your attitude sets no in a way, if you're in for it, if you're out of it, I feel like over time things change a lot.
Right.
Yeah,
Like right now, because of mostly yeah, a lot of it because there are people around me who had that chalo venture attitude.
Yeah.
I think I developed it dhire dhire, and because of that,
yeah,
those single small decisions that don't seem like they represent anything or mean anything. Right now they mean a lot to me, but in that time it was nothing. It was just a
yeah,
yes or no. But right now it
yeah.
accumulates. So एक की जगह 3 4 5 6 कहानियां हैं, and it has given me a sense of person कि हाँ, this is something that's so exciting, something that I would love to be if I'm not so already.
Dude, like just mentioning, like huh, we were never intoxicated during the Sakleshpur. Like it was just in us. Like हम कभी भी we never consumed anything.
Just a
All we
crackhead
drank for
personality.
all we drank was tea, dude, चाय. मैं बताता ना, dude, the story was so weird. ठीक है, हम सकलेशपुर पहुंच गए.
Okay.
इधर अब चलो.
पहुंच गए, जरूर
Let's
पहुंचे.
picture ourselves there.
हम्म.
ठीक है, हम पहुंच गए. ठीक है, 10 लोग हो गया, बकचोदी किए. डूड हम वहाँ पे एक लेक था, हम थोड़ी होटल रेंट करेंगे वहाँ जाके, रूम्स थोड़ी रेंट
We went
करेंगे,
there for a
ऐसे
day.
थोड़ी है हमारे पास.
Like it, we were
Yeah,
just
we
staying
went
the
there for a
night.
day
Yeah.
and it was end of Sheret, मतलब पैसे खत्म. Right.
Yeah.
हम सोने के लिए जगह नहीं थी, खाना के लिए खाना नहीं था. We just slept on the lake bed.
Side में
Like
sand पे.
वहाँ पे सो रहे थे sand पे. Lake was going, dude, like stars, moonlight, so too good.
Like too cold, huh? Too cold it was.
Dude, 10 people were just cuddling with each other as a pack बन के.
You know, if you spoon another person, and if they spoon another person, and you do it in a circle, we create this circle. Spoon, 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 spoon.
spoon,
And you
spoon
fit on
करके.
2 bed sheets because you only have 2 bed sheets. Because of course you brought only 2 bed sheets. That was because someone
Accommodation
thought.
करना पड़ता है, right?
Like some 4 feet by 4 feet के 2 bed sheets, that's all.
Oof.
Oh,
उस पे
yeah.
10 लोग ऐसे पैक होके we were just
सो रहे.
cuddling each other.
And लोग लेटे हुए थे एक दूसरे को
Rub
रब कर रहे थे, वार्म करने की कोशिश करते थे. तो धीरे धीरे वो सर्कुलर स्पून फॉर्मेशन था. किसको आइडिया आया? आई थिंक कृष्णा का, मुझे ध्यान नहीं किसको आया, बट जो भी था बचा लिया उसने.
Dude, like this thing, no, कि instantly taking decisions and चलो करते हैं.
Like it's a small
Like
decision.
that, yeah. And I'm telling you, dude, it actually affects your life. Like it affects your work. जब तुम काम कर रहे हो,
Yeah.
like this mindset of procrastination, वो पूरा उड़ जाता है.
I think risk
Like-
also.
Yeah, dude.
I spent a lot of my first year not doing a lot of digital work because I'm like, oh, हाथ से I know I'll do it.
Yeah.
हाँ.
But at Photoshop I'll have to learn. Maybe I won't make it for that deadline. And for that, at that point, I was like, oh shit, I have to meet this deadline, so I'm making this decision. But right now, I think I should have just tried Photoshop. Maybe gotten a few grades less. Maybe मेरा काम उतना complete नहीं होता.
Right.
But I feel like just trying and failing a little at that time would have helped me so much.
सीख लोगे ना?
Yeah, सीख लोगे.
हाँ. Like
Small
that
decisions.
decision making, small decisions.
Add up real fast
Like
with time.
that's what you're talking about. Why life is so vague?
Yeah.
Because हमारे लिए it's very vague because planning बहुत कम है. I'm talking about this age right now.
Yeah.
Not future ऐसा रहेगा नहीं. अभी planning बहुत कम है. हम like they tell no ऐसे philosophy of going with the flow. जो हो रहा है होने दो. Like we are that types.
But coming to the
कहानी
question,
क्या है?
No.
but coming to the question, you say that जो होना है होने दो. Like I mean, I'm not saying that this is this is probably a way of life that you guys lead with, right? But asking, कि like, what does that mean that it hampers your decision making process in the future? Because see, if I was like that, I would never be able to commit myself to decision making at not at any point in time, but to a point where I would actually have second thoughts about doing it, because I'll be like, I'll wait for impulsivity to hit me instead of like, you know.
True, dude. What you said is totally like Darab. Like Darab will tell. Like Sakleshpur में actually क्या हुआ? It was scary as fuck.
It was very scary, dude. I got scared at one point during that trip, but I feel like it was just the high of being there, being walking so much. There's the tiredness, but it didn't hit me
इनको
then.
थोड़ी पता है story तो
But
बोल
now
रहा
I
हूँ.
think, अच्छा ठीक है. But now that I think back to it, very scary in a way. But at that time, it was just being young and dumb, I feel.
Yeah.
Didn't
What
hit
Like
happened?
Abhi, if you ask us, we wouldn't recommend doing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like
but
anyone.
what happened? Tell us that.
So basically, Sakleshpur, the situation is Sharet or POU is over.
Okay.
You know, there's a week of Vivas. Some people have on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday,
Right,
Friday,
right,
Saturday.
right.
Yeah. So luckily, most of us had it on Monday, and some of us had
Five
it on
people had
Thursday.
it on Monday, and
Other five had it
few
later,
people had it on
Thursday and
Saturday.
Friday.
They had it on Saturday,
Saturday,
last
yeah.
working day.
Yeah, last working day.
Okay.
Some had on last working, some had on Thursday. So 10 people went. Sakleshpur, this river lake bed ke side mein cuddling scene happened because we got a train back to Bangalore at like subah ke 5 baje because we couldn't, because 5 of the people out of the 10 couldn't afford to stay because they had their Vivas left.
Viva.
Me, Shri,
Yeah,
and
but
the people who stayed.
Oshin stayed with us.
She stayed because she had it thoda aur aage, or maybe she was fine with. She took this risk in a way. She took the decision ki chalo let's stay. Maximum thought I'll reach one day before something like that.
Okay.
Dude, ऐसा she didn't stay off. हम तो इसको कन्विंस किए थे कि bro सैटरडे को है, सैटरडे को पहुंच जाएंगे हम लोग,
हाँ,
चले जाएंगे,
अच्छा सब ठीक हो गया.
ठीक हो जाएगा.
So basically, what happened is 5 people went. 5 of us are there at Sakleshpur station
Okay.
in the morning. So we decide कि so these guys are going back to Bangalore,
Okay.
and there's a place between Sakleshpur and Bangalore that we want to go to next. Shravana Benegola. It's
Shravana
called.
Benegola.
It's a huge monolith in a carving. We want to see that.
Okay.
So we're like, we'll all go on the train, and on the way at this station, 5 of us will get down, and the rest 5 will go to Bangalore.
Okay.
It's me, Shri, Oshin, Akanksha, and Krishna. 5 of us were staying.
Akanksha is another one friend like who used to hang out with us अच्छे से that time.
So I think we had to get off at Shravana Benegola at some early hours of the night, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Whichever one makes sense based on the previous stuff. So what happens is we are all very sleepy, dead, because we had been in a train the day before, and we had been walking and going around.
Right.
We're all almost dead. So what happens is when we stop at Shravana Benegola, I fallen asleep. Shri wakes me up. He's like, "Darav, utar ja, station aa gaya."
Okay.
I go to the door. There's no station.
What
I'm like, okay, other side. I go to the other door. There is no station. So I go back and sleep. I didn't think maybe I should wait. Shri would have been right. I was like, oh, I tried. I'm going back to sleep. I went back to sleep. Then he wakes me up with more intensity. Darav, उठ जा, station आ गया है. So मैं गया, and this station है, but train चल पड़ी है.
Okay.
Train चल चुकी, train चल रही है. And Krishna went before me. He jumped. I go to the door. And the first
Krishna
and the
कूद
only-
गया. Krishna कूद गया.
And I go to the door. The only thing I think is this is too fast. No one should jump at this speed.
Okay.
The second thought is, oh fuck, Krishna कूद चुका है. मैं कूद गया.
फिर भी कूदा.
मैं कूदा. And you know, I know the theory. As soon you're jumping out of a running train, you have to run as soon as you make contact, or else you'll fall.
Okay.
I'm ready. I prepare myself for a second and a half. This is very long. I know exactly what I have to do. I jump and I fall and roll over thrice.
Oh fuck.
Krishna he thinks I don't know what happened because the train was very fast.
Right.
Like legitimately, I wouldn't have
Dude,
jumped
I
out of the
saw
first
him.
line.
Yeah, he missed it like बच गया.
Damn it.
मैं-
ठीक है. Dude, and ये सब आधे नींद में हो रहा है. सब लोग आधे नींद में.
And so me and Krishna now at Shravana Benegola. The scariest shit is
Dude,
Oshin was
no,
next, standing
after-
behind me. To get to jump
Yeah.
next. ठीक है? And Shri tell her how she is when she's sleepy, dude.
Dude, like कृष्णा कूद गया.
Okay.
ये कूद के गिर गया.
हाँ.
मैं आधे नींद में हूँ, आकांक्षा आधे नींद में है, फिर ओशिन आगे नींद में. ठीक है.
Oshin पौने नींद में थोड़ा ज्यादा शायद.
डोर से the order is Oshin, Akanksha and me. So I was like पहले let these girls get off, then I'll get off.
Okay.
ठीक है. Then I was like Oshin चल like Akanksha चल. But dude, train इतना speed में था ना. Dude, and Oshin was not able to like cogitate, like contemplate नहीं कर रही थी वो.
बस कर रही थी, जो बोल रहे हो.
बस हाँ कर रही थी. ठीक है. फिर मैंने बोला ओशिन देखिए मैं भी आधे नींद में था. डूड ओशिन बोले कूद जाओ. आई वाज लाइक पागल हो गया. फिर मैंने उसको अंदर खींचा. ठीक है.
Okay.
हमको पता नहीं है ऐसे दराब गिर गया बोल के नहीं पता हमको.
Okay.
एक बाद में कृष्णा बताया. ओके तो उधर कृष्णा और दराब का स्टोरी अलग. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है.
Wait, so you
मेरे
guys
phone
went
में-
back to Bangalore?
No, listen though.
It has only
And
started, no boy.
I'm
As
like
weird as
that
it
for
sounds
me,
right now.
I didn't have a proper phone in first year.
Okay.
Like वो कभी भी आधा टूटा हुआ रहता है या
Yeah,
आधा
dude.
स्क्रीन ब्लैंक होता है. It was very, but I was happy, huh? Like I had so much time. अभी अच्छा फोन आके many things. तो we were like नहीं नहीं दराब और कृष्णा को अकेले नहीं छोड़ सकते.
Okay.
तो I thought मैं उतर जाऊंगा नेक्स्ट स्टेशन पे.
Yeah.
बट देन वी थॉट श्रावण बेलगोना भी जाना है, आकांक्षा रोशन को भी उतार देंगे. ठीक है. So we got off at next station.
Next to next, I think, because these guys were in the
Next to
train
next station.
and they were like, let's check what the next station is, and वहाँ पे कुछ देखने को है या नहीं. तो they were like, वो next पे नहीं है, next to next पे है. So they got off there.
Kunigal.
Kunigal is the
So we
name.
got off at Kunigal.
Okay.
So Kunigal
And
का story
I'll
था
give
when
you-
we were going to
I'll give you
Sakleshpur, no?
I'll give you something first. So you know how this Sakleshpur trip has been so quirky till now, but we still call it the Kunigal trip. Now continue, Shri.
Yeah.
That is
It
very-
is Kunigal trip only. So when we were on our way to Sakleshpur, no, we stopped at Kunigal. Like the train stopped at Kunigal, and we were like, oh, like what a cool place, dude. हमको यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. ठीक है. Dude, and जब हम वापस आ रहे थे, we got out at Kunigal only for Darab and Krishna. So we were like, कल मॉर्निंग एक और ट्रेन आएगा, हम वो लेके सकलेशपुर जाएंगे.
श्रावण मैंने बोला जाए.
श्रावण बोला. ठीक है. तो मैं, आकांक्षा और रोशन सो गए थे अंदर
Waiting room.
क्या बोलते वेटिंग रूम में. फिर उसको झूठ बोल के सो गए थे हम लोग. वी वर लाइक ट्रेन मिस हो गया तो हमको सोना है. ठीक है. तो मी, ओशिन एंड आकांक्षा फ्लोर पे सो गए अंदर.
Okay.
फिर वेटिंग रूम के अंदर.
Okay.
ठीक है. फिर अगले मॉर्निंग वी रियलाइज की ट्रेन यहाँ से वहां नहीं है, वहां से यहाँ है. So we can't go to Krishna and Darab, but the only possibility is Krishna and Darab can come to us.
Right.
तो श्रावण बेनागोला तो गया लिस्ट से. So we were like उसमें क्या है, कैसे भी कुनिगल आना था, कुनिगल आ गए. The trip changed, dude. We forgot Sakleshpur, we forgot the fort, lake we forgot. Like abhi it's very fun to talk, but at that time it was tension only, no?
At least.
And what happened is, when me and Krishna were at Shravana Benegola, I think it's 3 or 4 in the night. We're at Shravana Benegola has a single platform station. There's just one platform, 2 tracks, एक जाने के लिए, एक आने के लिए. Okay? And we're like, oh, सब अंधेरा है, no one is here. And we see one light of the TC, and as I think perfect for the story to be amazing, वो हमारे सामने लाइट ऑफ करके या तो सो जाता है कहीं चला जाता है. Like एक लाइट ऑन थी, वो हमारे सामने ऑफ हो जाती है on the entire station. So we're like, okay, let's go on the walkway, let's see. We go on the walkway, हम राइट में देखते हैं जंगल है. We're like, oh fuck. हम लेफ्ट में देखते हैं, वहां पे भी जंगल है. We're like, oh भेजो. फिर हम भी जाके वेटिंग रूम में सो जाते हैं. और वेटिंग रूम में हमारे लॉक नहीं था, तो हम बस जरूरी सामान फोन वोन कहीं छुपा के बैग के नीचे कुछ जेब में रख के we're like, चलो let's hope nothing is stolen, and we sleep. And luckily, because छोटा स्टेशन है, कुछ होता नहीं है. Next morning we reach these guys, and now the story begins.
Dude, अभी भी scary shit start नहीं हुआ. ये भी chill है. हाँ.
You guys are like,
Dude, then-
like a 1 inch away from being in like a serial killer slasher film, man.
Dude, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, आज भी
scared at one point in this
कुछ भी हो
film.
सकता था उस रात.
कुछ भी हो सकता था. It was a very dumb thing to do when you look back at it. So
Okay, what
now
do you
let's
guys
go through
do?
it faster and faster.
हाँ,
So let's go through fast. Okay,
Yeah,
too
like,
much
I'm
build up.
like, I can't handle this much suspense.
Yeah, I realized. Okay, so we're at Konigal. हम TC से लड़ाई कर रहे थे, वो हमें निकाल देता स्टेशन से, because we are just chilling there. दोपहर की वेट करते हैं, नाश्ता चाय करते हैं, वो बस वेटिंग रूम में बैठ के चिल मार रहे हैं. नहीं लग तुम्हारी कोई ट्रेन नहीं, जाओ यहाँ से. So we go out, we buy a lot of little hearts, वो जरूरी है, and then we go again. We are like,
Dude, literally हम पता है ऐसे लिटिल हार्ट्स को ऐसे डालते हैं, like over the shoulder.
ऐसे माला की तरह.
Little hearts, lace,
और लेके निकले. एंड कुनिगल में क्या है? कुनिगल केर्रे.
Guess what? Why? क्योंकि like आज भी ना, me and Darab have this only one thing कि कोई ट्रिप पे जाने से we have to go to a water body.
Every trip.
Water body मिल गया मतलब ट्रिप
Trip successful.
ट्रिप सक्सेसफुल. ठीक है. तो we found this something called
Kunigal Kerre. This huge ass lake, huge, humongous lake. We reached to the lake, and Krishna के पास ना बहुत crazy high power binoculars है. We had one part of the lake, and the lake circumference is in kilometers. It's very large.
What the?
From the
हम
binoculars, we
कैब
see.
वैब नहीं लिए हैं, ऑटो नहीं लिए, हम चल के गए.
Yeah, we walked some, I don't know,
7-8 kilometers
3-4 kilometers, whatever it was.
कहाँ 3-4, some
No,
7 kilometers.
Right. Yeah, the lake was 7, and then around the lake was 3-4, and then came the main thing. So across the lake, across us, there's a beach on the lake. We're like, we'll go there till the evening, and then we'll take a train and go home or go to Shravanapalli.
Beautiful, dude. Like that moment, no? Like
Yeah.
the lake, the grassland, like utna dur mein ghar, like all this picturesque scenes which we have seen in movies.
And we're just walking alongside it, बातें करते हुए. And we know कि वहाँ जाना है,
चल रहे हैं,
achievable है, लेकिन इतना दूर है कि हम पहुँच नहीं रहे आराम से.
हम गाना गा रहे हैं, चल रहे हैं. Like it was just like a movie. Like अगर हमारे पास अभय होता ना, अभय is one more us, one more Sundaram trucker, our love. अगर वो होता ना और उसके पास एक गिटार या यूकेलेली होता ना, like that music, like music was playing, but नहीं था, but it was playing. Everything was set, dude, and it was not our choice.
It was
Like you
just
said,
happening.
it's not our choice. It was just happening,
And we,
and it's just acceptance.
yeah, it's acceptance. I was gonna say, and we let it happen. I think, but a better way is we just gave it a chance. Ki
Yeah,
maybe something good will come out of it. If not, we'll be where we were.
Right.
we gave it a chance. That's why you are getting a good podcast, no?
Wow.
It's a very long story. Huh? The story is too long. We have to make it shorter now.